Hey, what's up guys, it's Simon and my stream Get Develop Time, and we're gonna play some Apple Shooter. Oh my god! I shot my girlfriend! I shot her again. See, it's kind of pretty fun. Yes, I completed this game. So, I wanna shoot some apples. It's today is Saturday, so I gotta shoot some apples. I will miss. Oh God! Did you just see that little blood coming out of her fight of her face? Oh, that woman kind of looks like a vampire. See that? See what I'm with her? What? I missed. Did you see that? Watch this. That's so weird. She never even said anything. Oh my god! Yes, play that. Oh my god! Oh, I stabbed her. Come on. I can do the sumo. You can see I have a channel. It's not a game channel, it's just a channel. It's Adventure. Yay, I can play that. I'm sick tired. So, love apples. And you showed that one. It's okay if you don't like apples. It's just that, apples like fine, but if good, they're good for you. You're tired. I like apples. Okay, but girlfriend, I'll stay close. I'm sorry, girlfriend. No. Curse this damn it game. Oh god, I can't say. Why does this always have to kill everything? Okay, this is enough for that. So thank you so much for watching. Look, just watch too much show, whatever you want. Because sometimes I make 2 or 3 videos today. I mean, in one day. See you next time. Wait. Also, I give you things. Don't do that. Bye.